Hey there, you welcome to my channel. I'm Olabisi. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. I love you. And so in this video, we're going to be learning different love phrases, love words, romance words, and conversations. This video is going to be lengthy, but I promise you it's going to worth it. So sit back and enjoy. Welcome back. So the first word we're going to be learning is, what's a name, pretty? What's a name, pretty? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ, arẹwà? Arẹwà, kí ni orúkọ ẹ? Pretty or beautiful is arẹwà. We are talking to a female, to a lady. So for handsome, arẹwà ọkùnrin, you have to put ọkùnrin. Ọkùnrin is a man. Ọkùnrin, man, male. So what's a name, pretty? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ, arẹwà? What's a name, beautiful woman? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ, arẹwà obìnrin yìí? Oh, what's a name, pretty dude? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ, arẹwà ọkùnrin? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? What's the name? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? So, pretty dude, handsome guy. Oh, what's the name? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ, arẹwà ọkùnrin? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? Oh, so if someone asks you that, you just say, orúkọ mi ni Olabisi. You add your name at the back of orúkọ mi ni. So you continue saying, can I have a phone number? Ṣé mo lè ní nọ́mbà ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ rẹ? Ṣé mo lè ní nọ́mbà ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ rẹ? Oh, yeah, sure. You can have it. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mo lè fún ẹ. Okay, then I will talk to you tonight. Let's talk tonight. Jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ lálẹ́, màá bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lálẹ́. Ó dáa, kò sí wàhálà, mo ti gbọ́. Okay, no problem, I add you. Are you getting it? So now, when will you be free? Ìgbà wo lo máa ráyè? Can we go on a date? Ṣá lè jọ jáde? I want to take you to a date. Mo fẹ́ mú ẹ jáde. Then you go on saying, I like you. Mo fẹ́ràn ẹ. You want to add the person's name. Let's say Bella, I like you. Bella, mo fẹ́ràn ẹ. Or you say, mo fẹ́ràn ẹ, Bella. Mo fẹ́ràn ẹ, Bella. Then if you want to say, are you single? Ṣé o ti dá wà? Ṣé o ti níyàwó? You're asking a woman, ṣé o ti dá wà? Ṣé o ti ní ọkọ? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mi ò tí ní ọkọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mi ò tí ní aya. Mo dá wà. Yes, I'm single. I don't have a husband now. Neither do I. Yes, I'm single. I do not have a wife yet. I'm not yet married. I'm single. Oh, are you married? Ṣé o ti gbéyàwó ni? Ṣé o ti gbéyàwó ni? Rárá o, mi ò tí gbéyàwó. No, I'm not yet married. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mo ti gbéyàwó. Yes, I'm married. The next phrase is, I love you. I love you. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. Say with me. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. I love you so much. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ gidi gan, or mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ púpọ̀. You want to add the person's name? Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ Sandra. I love you, Sandra. I love you. Will you marry me? Ṣé wàá fẹ́ mi? Can you marry me? Ṣé o lè fẹ́ mi? Are you getting it? Will you marry me? Ṣé wàá fẹ́ mi? Can you marry me? Ṣé o lè fẹ́ mi? I miss you. Mo ṣàárò ẹ. Or you say, ọkàn mi ń fà sí ẹ. Actually, that's more of like, my heart is longing for you. Yeah, so mo ń ṣàárò ẹ. I'm missing you. Mo ń ṣàárò ẹ. Or àárò ẹ ń sọ mí. I miss you. Mo ṣàárò ẹ. I'm missing you. Àárò ẹ ń sọ mí. And the response to that also is, èmi náà ń ṣàárò ẹ. Just like the other response as well. Èmi náà ń ṣàárò ẹ. I miss you also. I'm also missing you. Èmi náà ń ṣàárò ẹ. Oh, I can't wait to see you. Mi ò lè dúró láti rí ẹ. I need to see you right now. Mo fẹ́ rí ẹ bye. Oh my love, I miss you. mo ṣàárò ẹ. My love, ìfẹ́ mi, mo ṣàárò ẹ. Before I forget, if you want me to teach you, if you want a video on pet names you can call your lovers in Yoruba language, comment that and I'm going to do that as soon as possible. So let's get back to what we are learning. I need you tonight. I need you tonight. Mo nílò ẹ lálẹ́ yìí. Mo fẹ́ ẹ lálẹ́ yìí. I want you tonight. Mo fẹ́ ẹ lálẹ́ yìí. You know what I'm talking about? Mo fẹ́ ẹ lálẹ́ yìí. Mo nílò ẹ lálẹ́ yìí. Mo fẹ́ ní ẹ lálẹ́ yìí. I want to have you tonight. Mo fẹ́ ní ẹ lálẹ́ yìí. I can't share it with anybody. Mi ò lè pín ẹ pẹ̀lú ẹnì kankan. You are very special to me. You are very dear to me. Ó ṣe pàtàkì sí mi. You are very special to me. Ó ṣe pàtàkì sí mi. You are a special person. Èèyàn pàtàkì ni ẹ́. Èèyàn pàtàkì ni ẹ́. I love you and I will love you forever. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, màá dẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ títí láéláé. I love you and I will love you forever. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, màá dẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ títí láéláé. Kí lo fẹ́ kí n rà fún ẹ? What would you like me to get you? Are you home today? Let's go on a date. Ṣé o wà nílé lénìí? Jẹ́ ká lọ jáde. Ṣé o wà nílé lénìí? Jẹ́ ká jọ jáde. Also, some responses to I love you, I like you, the negative response. Yes, you know, we can't absolutely love everyone and we can't like everyone. Yeah, so I like you. Mo fẹ́ràn ẹ. But I don't. Èmi ò fẹ́ràn ẹ. Èmi ò fẹ́ràn ẹ. Mi ò fẹ́ràn ẹ. Wow. I love you. Remember, it is what? Yes, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. I don't love you. Mi ò nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mi ò nífẹ̀ẹ́. I want to be your husband. Mo fẹ́ jẹ́ ọkọ ẹ. Mo fẹ́ jẹ́ ọkọ ẹ. I want to be your wife. Mo fẹ́ jẹ́ ìyàwó ẹ. Mo fẹ́ jẹ́ ìyàwó ẹ. I want you to be my husband. Mo fẹ́ kó jẹ́ ọkọ mi. Mo fẹ́ kó jẹ́ ọkọ mi. I want you to be my wife. Mo fẹ́ kó jẹ́ ìyàwó mi. So let's just stop here. It goes and goes and goes like that. But then let's stop because this video is getting too long. I don't want to bore you. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you do kindly like this video, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. Yes. And then if you want me to do a video on pet names you can call your lovers, or there's something you need me to do a video on, kindly comment that and I will surely do that. I love you.